In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit forms on Fresha, a platform loved by beauty and wellness professionals for streamlining their business operations. Whether you're new to Fresha or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process of editing client forms step by step, ensuring you can keep your client information current and accurate. Let's dive in by starting with how to navigate to your client list. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the client section on your Fresha dashboard. This area is designed to help you easily manage all your client information, including their personal details, booking history, and, crucially for us today, their forms. Once you're in the client section, the next step is to select a specific client for whom you need to edit a form. By clicking on your client, you open up a comprehensive view of their profile. This interface is where Fresha really shines, offering a one-glance overview of everything you need to know about your client's interactions with your business. After selecting the client, your next move is to click on the Documents tab within their profile. This tab is essentially the gateway to all the paperwork associated with that client, including any forms they've filled out. Documents are crucial for ensuring you have all the necessary information to provide personalized, high-quality service. Following that, direct your attention to the Client Forms option. This is where you'll find a list of all the forms your client has completed. Fresha's platform is designed to keep these forms organized and easily accessible, which is particularly helpful for maintaining up-to-date records and compliance with any regulatory needs. Now, to the main event, editing a form, you'll need to click on the Add button to either add a new form for your client to fill out or to edit existing information. This functionality is key to ensuring that you can keep all client information relevant and up to the minute, allowing you to make adjustments as needed, whether that's updating a client's contact information, health history, or any other details relevant to the services you provide. After selecting the appropriate form to edit, you'll be taken to a screen where you can complete or modify the form's fields according to the latest information you have or the updates your client has provided. It's this level of detail and customization that enables you to truly cater to each client's individual needs, fostering a stronger client-business relationship. Finally, once you've made the necessary edits or additions, you'll click on Complete. This action saves the changes you've made, ensuring that the client's profile is updated with the most current information. Completing a form isn't just about gathering data, it's about enhancing your ability to offer tailored, attentive service that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Throughout this process, it's important to remember the balance between gathering necessary information and respecting client privacy. Ensure you're only collecting information that is directly relevant to the services you offer, and always maintain stringent data protection practices. In conclusion, managing client forms on Fresha is a straightforward process that can significantly impact your business's efficiency and the quality of service you provide. By keeping client forms up to date, you ensure that every decision you make is informed by the latest information, enabling you to offer personalized and effective services. Remember, the goal is to use these tools to enhance your client relationships, streamline your operations, and ultimately grow your business. Thank you for joining me today. With these simple steps, you're well equipped to manage your client forms on Fresha, saving you time and helping you stay organized. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you make the most out of Fresha and take your business to new heights.